Hi everyone, I'm George, one of the Learn English with Cambridge YouTube presenters. As you're probably aware, students don't stop learning once they leave the classroom. They actively seek out material and continue to practice in their own time. Which is why YouTube has become an invaluable resource for students around the world. And the Learn English with Cambridge YouTube channel is all about real-world English, language skills that students really need beyond the classroom. It's now more important than ever for students to have access to engaging bite-sized lessons online. Perhaps you're someone who could make these videos. I've really enjoyed my experience working for Learn English with Cambridge. It's amazing to think that some of my videos have helped people around the world, and I've learnt lots of skills along the way. You can set the scene in real-life locations, take some fun days out. Perhaps you have some closeted acting skills. Share your advice for real-life situations.
Max, I'm really sorry, I've got to run.
And prepare students for real-life conversations. If you'd like to work with Cambridge to create enjoyable, practical learning experiences, not just for the students in your classroom, but students all over the world, what are you waiting for? Enter the competition today. Whatever your teaching style, get in touch. We want the videos to be fun and varied. And don't worry if you're not a technical genius, you'll receive training. Have a look at the videos we've created so far, and let us know if you'd like to be part of the Learn English team. We'd love to hear from you.